Welcome to the lecture series of differential calculus. Today we are going to see center of curvature and circle of curvature. So look at the result for center of curvature x bar. So center is denoted by x bar and y bar. The formula for x bar is x minus dy by dx into 1 plus dy by dx square divided by d square y by dx square, or the same formula can be written as x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. Here y1 means first derivative, y2 for the second derivative, and y bar equal to y plus 1 plus dy by dx whole square divided by d square y by dx square, or the same formula can be written as y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. So this is the formula for center of curvature. To find the center for the given curve, we have to find out x bar and y bar. To find x bar and y bar, these are the two formulas. Now the next one is equation of circle. So equation of circle of curvature is x minus x bar the whole square plus y minus y bar the whole square equal to rho square. X bar and y bar is nothing but center and rho is nothing but radius of curvature. So for a given curve, if we want to find the equation of the circle, means we need to find x bar, y bar and rho. After find out all the three values, back to this equation, substituting that, we can get the answer for equation of the circle of curvature. So today we are going to do this kind of problem. Look at the first question. Find the center and circle of curvature of the curve root x plus root y equal to root a at the point a by 4 comma a by 4. Here curve is given. Given curve is root x plus root y equal to root a, and point is also given a by 4 comma a by 4. So we have to find out center and circle of the curvature. So first we will write the given equation root x plus root y equal to root a. So first we are going to find the radius of curvature, then we will go for the x bar y bar, and then we can write the equation of the circle. So first differentiate with respect to x, so that root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x and root y differentiation is 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx, and this is a constant. Differentiation of a constant is 0. Okay, so we need the dy by dx only, so we can keep this term into the left hand side, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 root 2 x. So dy by dx equal to 2 root 2 y divided by 2 root x. Okay, so we can cancel the 2. So our dy by dx is minus root y by root x. Can call this as equation 1. Now point is given. So dy by dx at the point a by 4 comma a by 4. That means for x a by 4, y is also a by 4. So root of a by 4 divided by root of a by 4, that is equal to minus 1. Now we are going to find the second derivative, that is d square y by dx square. So d square y by dx square. So d square y by dx square, we have to apply the u by v formula, because here we are getting root y by root x. So we have to apply the u by v formula. So we can keep the minus as it is, divided by v square, that means root x square is x. Then we have to keep the root x as it is. Differentiation of root y is 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx. Okay, then minus, keep the root y as it is. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, so this is the u by v formula. Now we have to apply the point a by 4 comma a by 4 is equal to, see, we have to substitute wherever x comes a by 4, for the y a by 4, and here it is dy by dx, we have to put minus 1, because at the point dy by dx answer is minus 1. So substituting all the values, we can get d square y by dx square at the point a by 4 comma a by 4, we can get 4 by a. So this is our d square y by dx square. Now we know the formula for rho. Rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. That is y1 is nothing but dy by dx, y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square. So that is equal to 1 plus dy by dx is minus 1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. y2 is 4 by a. Okay. So 1 plus minus 1 the whole square is 2. So 2 power 3 by 2, that is nothing but 2 root 2. Here the denominator we are having by a, that will come into the numerator divided by 4. So we can cancel this by 2 times. So that is equal to a root 2 divided by 2. Again this 2 we can cancel root 2 out. That is a root 2 divided by 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. We can cancel this. So we can get the rho answer as rho equal to a by root 2. So first part of the question is over. We need to find center x bar and y bar. X bar formula is x bar equal to small x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. That is equal to x minus, okay, y1 square. What is our y1? y1 is minus 1 into 1 plus minus 1 square whole divided by y2. y2 is 4 by a. So x bar at the point a by 4 comma a by 4. So for x is also we have to put a by 4, and for y is also we have to put a by 4. So a by 4, here it is plus 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 4 into a. So after simplifying this we can get the x bar answer is 3a by 4. 2a plus a, see 2a plus a 3a, for the both the term we can get 4. So x bar is 3a by 4. Next we have to find out our y bar. What is the formula for y bar? Y bar equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. So this is the formula for y bar. So y bar at the point a by 4 comma a by 4, that is equal to a by 4 plus 1 plus y1 square minus 1 square divided by y2, 4 by a. And after simplifying this we can get 1 plus 1 2a by 4, that is again we can get the answer as 3a by 4. So here also we can get the answer as 3a by 4. So now we got the answer for x bar and y bar and rho. So we know the equation of circle. So hence the equation of the circle, hence the equation of the circle of curvature is x minus x bar the whole square plus y minus y bar the whole square equal to rho square. So this is the formula. Here we have to substitute x bar, y bar and rho values. What is our x bar? X minus x bar is 3a by 4 the whole square plus y minus y bar is 3a by 4 the whole square equal to rho square. Rho square answer is a by root 2 the whole square. So that is equal to a square by 2. So this is the answer for the first question. Look at the second question. Find the equation of the circle of curvature of the parabola y square equal to 12x at the point 3, 6. So here the point is 3, 6 and the curve is y square equal to 12x. So first we will write the given equation y square equal to 12x. So differentiate this equation 1 with respect to x. So we can get 2y into dy by dx equal to 12. Differentiation of x is 1. So we need dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to 12 by 2y. So we can cancel this, we can get our dy by dx as 6 by y. So dy by dx at the point 3 comma 6. For x we have to put 3, for y we have to put 6. So when you are substituting here, you can get the answer as 1. Now the second derivative, d square y by dx square. So d square y by dx square equal to, see, 6 by y. So 6 is a constant. Differentiation of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So minus 1 by y square into what? Into dy by dx. So at the point d square y by dx square, at the point 3 comma 6 is, we have to substitute the point. So minus 6 by y square, that means 6 square is 36 into dy by dx at the point 3 comma 6. What is that? That is 1. So we can cancel this 6 times. So our d square y by dx square at the point 3 comma 6 is minus 1 by 6. Now we know the formula for rho. Rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2, that is equal to 1 plus 1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 6, that is 2 power 3 by 2 into minus 6. 2 power 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 root 2 into minus 6. Okay, rho is always positive quantity. So our rho answer is 2 root 2. That means 2 root 2 into 6, that is 12 root 2. Our rho answer is 12 root 2. Okay, now we are going to find out our x bar and y bar. X bar formula is x bar equal to x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square divided by y2, that is equal to x is 3. Okay, so x bar at the point 3 comma 6, x is 3. So 3 minus dy by dx at the point is 1 into 1 plus 1 square divided by y2. What is our y2? Y2 is minus 1 by 6. So 1 square plus 1, that is nothing but 2. 2 into, okay, so we can get minus into minus plus 3 plus 6 into 2. Okay, when it will come into the numerator, 6 into 2. So 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 15. So our x bar is 15. Same manner we have to find out y bar at the point 3 comma 6, that is equal to, formula is y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. So substituting the values, y is 6, 6 plus 1 plus y1 square, 1 square divided by y2. y2 is minus 1 by 6. Okay, so as for this also, when you are simplifying this, we can get 2, it will become to the numerator. So we can get 6 minus 12, that is equal to minus 6. So y bar answer is minus 6. Therefore the equation of circle answer is x minus x bar the whole square, that means x minus 15 the whole square plus y minus y bar the whole square. So y, here it is minus, so minus into minus plus, so y plus 6 the whole square equal to 12 root 2 the whole square. So 12 root 2 the whole square, either you can keep as it is or you can write the value for this, that is 288. So this is the answer for the second problem. Thank you for watching.